Hey guys, this is DC Grunig and welcome to another one of my gameplay videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a Minecraft server just as a free user. So the first thing you're going to do is download the link I gave you in the description. You're going to open it up and unzip it. You can use Windows Explorer or WinRAR or anything to unzip this, it doesn't really matter. Okay, you're going to have 3 files when you open it up. Step 1, install Hamachi. I've already done this on this computer. It takes about 4 minutes-ish. And we'll see if it loads up for me. Okay, there we go. So Hamachi just loaded up for me. First thing you want to do is create a network. So you're going to come up with a network ID. For my network, I call it Yo-Yo Games. You're going to come up with a password. It can be something as simple as 123. I've deleted the password on mine. You can't do this right here, but you can later. Then you're going to next copy IPv4 address. You're going to go into server, exe, the next file. You're going to wait for it to create all these files. Okay, it's created all these files. First thing is server properties. This is the most important file you're going to be working with. Do not change the name world unless you are really experienced at working with servers. Allow the nether. I do not want to allow the nether, so I'm going to change this to false because it is very glitchy when you use it online. I want this to be a fun free build. So I'm going to change this to false because I don't want monsters. Online mode, very important you turn this to false. What this does is allow IP addresses to join instead of users. So it will not allow premium users, but it will allow anybody else to join. Okay, so spawn animals, I want some animals of course. Give me my pork chops and feathers. And then max players, we're going to bring this down to somewhere around 7 so you don't have lag. And then you're going to paste that server IP that you just got from Hamachi. PvP, I'll let my friends fight against each other when they play. Server port, also very important, delete it. If you allow flight, that allows them to use mods in the game, and whitelist allows them to, you go on this whitelist and type in people you want to allow on the server if you only want to allow certain people. So we're going to save this. The next step is your name in the game. You're going to go to ops. You open this up. Say your name is Bob in the game. I just coming up with a random name, so we'll say Bob. If you want to add any of your friends to be operators, what operators does is it allows you to pick up any block or destroy any block or create any block, and it gives you the ability to access administrator commands. So I want my friend Joe to be able to help out with this too. So we got Bob and Joe as the 2 administrators right now. You can add more later. Okay, so step number, I don't even know what step this number is, but we're going to go into Minecraft server, open that up again. This time you need to let it all load. So while that's loading, we're going to open Minecraft SP. Okay, sometimes it gives you this error, just keep trying to open it. Okay, so I want Bob to log in as Bob, and you don't even have to have an account registered. Just make sure that name is the same as the operator if you are the guy running the server. So you're going to enter game. You can force update if you want to. Multiplayer, I have this IP address already put in here because I've been messing around on my server. So we're going to check out how far we are. Okay, so this whole thing's done. It'll say done at the bottom. And throughout the game, it'll list what people are doing. So I'm going to click connect, and it logs me in. Okay, let me move this window over a little bit. So now I'm on my very own server. The way somebody else is going to get onto the server, because most tutorials just show you how to get onto your server, but if you have a friend you want to show how to get on the server, what they're going to do is get a log me in Hamachi thing downloaded on their computer, and under network they're going to click join existing network, and they're going to say join Yo-Yo Games. Okay, so this lists what computers are on. If it's green, that means their computer's on. So my friend Zach is on the server. He's waiting to play with me actually. So what he's going to do is look at my IP address, which is going to show up just like his, and this IP address will show up right here when he looks at it, but it'll say my name. And he's going to type that IP address into multiplayer, the same IP, and click connect, and that's all your second friend has to do, and they'll log in with you. Okay, the last thing you need to know is how to use administrator commands. You can find how to use them all online, but one of the most important ones that people use a lot is time set. This is just an example that this works. Time set goes from anywhere from 0 to 24,000. So I'm gonna change it to 12,000, which is nighttime, getting near nighttime. Okay, there's the sun going down already since I changed it to 12,000. And now I've shown you how to get your very own server with Hamachi. You can make it public and share this, but it only works if you have this running while you're playing the game. Just one computer has to run this, but it has to be run at the same time. So I showed you Bob logged in with identity, Bob issued server command, set time to this, and Bob set time to this. So as you can see, this will show you how to use it all. And once you close that thing, this is what will happen. So if you want to end the thing really quickly, just close that. Now you know how to use it. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, just send me a message, and subscribe to my new channel, Vanguardian, which there's a link in the description, and that is where I'll be uploading the rest of my video game videos that are helpful.